This is the democracy call and response poem where I say a line and you repeat after me. Your voice counts. Have a say. Voting for a better day. Choose to elect equality and represent democracy. Voice your opinion, share your side. Each of us is free to decide. Speak for yourself and those who cannot. Justice for all must not be forgot. Vote for choices that create a community where life is great. Create a world where needs are met. Work together so peace is kept. Vote for good health and education. Base your choice on true information. You and I can collectively vote to help our community. Your voice counts. Have a say. Voting for a better day. Choose to elect equality and represent democracy. That was brilliant. Well done, everybody.